Alright guys, so last video of the day, well, second video, also last video of the day, we're doing sunglasses. Do you need polarized sunglasses? So I'm gonna say yes. Well, you don't need them, but it really helps to have them. So, let me take some stuff out of my tackle box so I can grab them. Alright, all of these sunglasses were $20 or less. So you know you don't have to go buy the $200 Oakleys. If you want to, you can, but spider wire. Advanced polarized, high performance. They're very polarized and they're very high performance for sure for the price. Got a reflective lens and a whatever normal black lens, and these are Champion C9 216 blue camo polarized. I already smudged up, but whatever. Pretty cool looking sunglasses. $20, $19 and $19. You really should get a pair of sunglasses. You know, 20 bucks, 19 bucks. You can find them for like 18, 14 bucks. Really good sunglasses overall. I would definitely recommend any of these. Whatever you make your choice. This is a really short video. You know, do you need sunglasses, or do you need polarized sunglasses? And I would say yes. It's not a necessity, but it's nice to have them. You know, it blocks the sun out of your eyes, and then it helps you see fish deeper in the water. So thanks for watching. If you didn't watch the last video, I'm organizing my tackle box tomorrow, putting all those lures in there and there, put my rod socks on, maybe rigging up, maybe not rigging up, depends on what I feel like doing. I might rig up on Friday night. We got my F+ scale all ready to go, full of batteries. I got my tick repellent, and I gotta get some bug spray. I got sunscreen. I got my rod holders. Yep. See you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.